Here's what occurred after I consumed only one meal per day for 30 consecutive days. Are you familiar with the OMAD, one meal a day, diet? Regardless of the situation, I suggest that you stay put as I guide you through almost everything you need to know. To begin with, the one meal a day diet is precisely what it sounds like, a regimen that limits you to consuming only one meal per day. Essentially, you have the freedom to eat whatever you desire, but you are restricted to consuming only one meal, which means you cannot go beyond that limit. Mostly, the diet plan is designed to challenge your conventional perspectives on food consumption and nutrition. According to some doctors, this approach could be the key to achieving sustainable weight loss. I decided to give the diet plan a shot for 30 days, and I thought it would be helpful to create this video to share with you the advantages and disadvantages that I experienced. Ultimately, it is up to you to decide whether this plan is suitable for you or not. Let's dive right into the advantages. Firstly, the plan is simple and straightforward, as I previously mentioned. The one meal a day diet only requires one basic rule: eat only one meal per day, and you're set. In essence, there's no need for calorie counting, complicated meal planning, special ingredients, or weighing of food portions. All you need to do is adhere to the straightforward rule. Additionally, you can indulge in all your favorite foods. This is arguably the most significant advantage of the one meal a day diet. It provides you with the liberty to consume whatever foods you desire, such as sweet potato chips, ice cream, cheeseburgers, and more. However, I wouldn't advise you to consume all of those foods at once, though. Reduced appetite. I don't know if you will encounter this, but I discovered that after fasting for the majority of the day, I didn't feel the need to overeat during my one meal. At this point, I'll just stick to the assertion that fasting can decrease the size of your stomach and make you feel more satisfied with smaller food portions. You can give the plan a try and see if you experienced similar outcomes. Sustainable weight loss. Lastly, the concept of eating only one meal per day can be exceptionally effective for weight loss. However, there is a pretty reasonable catch: you have to avoid overeating during your one meal. Remember, weight loss is the goal, so try your best to adhere to the plan. Cons. Hunger pains. Yes, this is undoubtedly the most significant disadvantage of the one meal a day diet. To be honest, I experienced hunger pangs at the beginning, but they subsided as I grew more accustomed to the routine. So what's the takeaway? The diet plan necessitates that you tolerate a certain degree of hunger from the get-go. This is the only approach to begin the journey and remain committed to it. Note that I wouldn't suggest trying the one meal a day diet if you have a history of binge eating. In that case, you may end up seeing little to no progress. Low energy levels. As many of you may already know, any diet that restricts your caloric intake can make you feel lethargic. When you start the one meal a day plan, there's a good chance you'll feel more tired than usual. I personally experienced this as well. Additionally, individuals who rely on sugary snacks to get an energy boost may find it challenging to stick with the one meal a day plan. Parting words. While the one meal a day diet plan may not be suitable for everyone, it could be worth trying if you're able to adhere to the one meal rule. After following the one meal a day diet plan for 30 days, I experienced weight loss and felt positive about my progress. It's definitely a great feeling to stay fit and healthy. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.